coming up to Drew Street and ran the red light at Drew Street, cut between two cars. Through Cleveland, driving on the wrong side of the road, almost caused a head-on signal 4.
We gotta get this guy stopped, yeah.
Alright, wrong side of the road, running the red light through Druid. Alright, accelerating again, back to a high rate of speed, on the wrong side, through the median, back over the correct side of the road. Alright, slowing down at 18th. Looks like he's gonna bail at 18th. He's coming to carjack a Corvette. Black male, blue shirt, blue jeans.
Rocky, can you get up there?
Alright, that car just sped off. He's back in his red car, taking off, southbound Gulf Boulevard. On the opposite lanes of traffic, southbound, high rate of speed, coming up to 5th. Just ran the red light at 5th. This guy has no regard for anybody else on the road. On the pedestrian path, just signal forward, in front of Krabby Bill's 4th Avenue. Out of the car, running southbound. He's trying to carjack another Mustang, a black Mustang.
Sorry, I'm getting a little amped up here. You're good.
Alright, he just carjacked this Mustang. Taking off in a black convertible Mustang, southbound on Gulf Boulevard. Alright, he just signaled forward. Ooh. He's all over the place. He's hitting the fence. He's down 19925 Gulf Boulevard. He's on the south side of the building, driving to the east. He's around the back now, driving north. Alright, just hit the fence, going through another fence to the next property to the north. Alright, he's out of the vehicle. I think he's running northbound. Alright, he's northbound in the mangroves, behind the next property to the north.
K-Town coming on the beach.
Alright, he's heading kind of east, northeast through the mangroves. Alright, still heading east. He's coming out to the intercoastal. 19931 Gulf Boulevard, 19931. He's in the mangroves all the way out by the edge of the water.
Make sure they got EMS coming for this wreck over here.
Again, get EMS rolling for the wreck. I know there's some civilians involved. He's in the water. He's swimming eastbound. Alright, we've got deputies challenging from the dock.
We got one at gunpoint. Challenge.